And the markets open in green after Donald Trump's truce claim. Sensex surges 800 points at 82,000. Meanwhile, Nifty crosses 25,250 mark. Sensex surges over 900 points, whereas the Nifty crosses 25,250 mark. Now, this comes following the truce and the ceasefire announcement, which was made by Donald Trump, that a ceasefire has been achieved between Iran and Israel. That has impacted the markets. The markets have opened in green, with the Sensex surging 800 points and stands at 82,000 currently, whereas the Nifty has crossed the 25,250 mark. So the Sensex has surged over 900 points and the Nifty has crossed 25,250 mark. Now, this comes after Donald Trump's announcement that a ceasefire has been reached between Iran and Israel, and the markets have reacted positively to that announcement. Remember, yesterday the markets were negatively impacted because of the escalating tensions between Iran and Israel, and we also saw US airstrikes in Iran. Amid all of the tensions, the markets were down. But today, after Donald Trump claimed that a ceasefire has been reached between Iran and Israel, the markets responded positively. The markets have opened in green, with the Sensex surging 800 points at 82,000. And we're now being joined by Business Today's Shailendra Bhatnagar with more details on this. Shailendra, the markets have responded positively to the announcement that was made by Donald Trump, with the Sensex surging 900 points. Could you give us more details?
Yes, bulls are very, very happy on the Lal Street, and across the board there is a rally. Whether you take oil marketing companies, whether you take lots of other PSU stocks, across the board banks are rising. You have a very strong momentum that is coming into cement counters. That's mainly because of, as you very rightly say, the ceasefire that's been announced between Israel and Iran by US President Trump. And the biggest indicator of risk on trade coming back across the world is the 17% fall in crude oil prices. That's beneficial for everybody, and that's amazing for India because we import about 85% of our crude oil. So Nifty is its highest in 2025. In fact, we are waiting for a fresh record. What we are looking at is Nifty highest since October 3rd, 2024. And across the board, the markets are celebrating, not only in India, across Asia, Japan, Korea, China, Hong Kong. All these equity markets are in top shape because of this settlement and ceasefire.
Absolutely, Shailendra. Thank you so much for getting us those details on how the markets have responded to the ceasefire claim by Donald Trump.